Do you see that? By the stars, it's huge.
It's massive. It has to be the tortoise. I can't believe it.
Absolutely incredible. Look at the thickness of this armor. The schematics show the frontal armor tapering here.
Yeah.
But the actual plating extends much further on this side.
Look at the weld marks right here.
The vegetation growth is heavier on the eastern side.
All right, we'll adjust the clearing path accordingly for the recovery phase.
Mark that position, then move 50 feet east.
Copy that. Copy that.
Careful with the cutters near the treads.
Hold it right there. All right, bring the blade down slow. Watch the clearance. Keep the tension steady. Pressure is critical. Copy that. Moving now. We've got movement. She's breaking free. Keep the tension steady. Pressure is critical. Copy that. Moving now. We've got movement. She's breaking free. Lowering main hoist. Okay, easy on the right side. Watch your feet back there. She's settling now. All clear. All right, keep it coming back slowly. Stop right there.
Look at the state of that suspension. Incredible.
Keep it steady. Bring it down another foot, slowly. Watch the left chain tension. Copy that, coming down slow.
The corrosion on these armor sections is worse than anticipated. I'm making a note of the seized components on the side hatch now.
The corrosion depth here is significant. Look at this fracture.
The laser scan confirms severe structural fatigue on the glacis plate.
Readings on the track links are inconsistent. I'm getting deep pitting. The starboard side scan is almost complete.
Good. The data alignment looks precise on the main casemate.
The reading here is fluctuating significantly, indicating potential fatigue.
Yes, the back wall echo is distorted. Let's mark this section for further review.
The water ingress here is significant.
Yes, look at the state of this wiring harness.
The damage here on the road wheel is significant. It needs a full replacement.
Agreed. The final drive housing shows signs of impact as well.
Vistas. The internal structure around the transmission is severely compromised. Look here on the blueprint.
The digital scan confirms the microfracture.
We start with the engine block here.
Confirmed. The schematics align with the scans.
All right, team, let's get this tortoise moving again.
We need full coverage of the starboard side rust patterns. Get the macro lens on that section.
All right, let's move on to the track components now.
This section here needs the priority tag.
Keep going, it's almost there. Got it. Okay, let's move this thing. Bring it over here, next to the brackets.
Well, that explains the smell. Look at the corrosion on the main controls.
And the wiring insulation is completely gone.
We should be able to remove this section next. Okay, let's make sure it matches the diagram first.
All right, steady now.
I got it.
Okay, pull it clear. Watch your feet.
Record the stress fracture here on the upper glacis plate. Fracture noted. Corrosion level 7 near the mounting bracket. Ensure the serial number is logged.
See the pitting here? That weld is completely compromised.
Got it. I'm logging the stress fracture now.
right, slowly coming down.
Yeah.
Just a fraction left. It looks good here. Perfect. Set her down gently.
Check the tolerance on this starboard section.
The laser shows a slight deviation, but it's within the acceptable margin. The repairs are sound.
This track link here seems slightly warped. Should we note it down? It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the adjacent pins for stress. It's moving.
Okay, clear the pin now. Watch the weight.
Look closely at the deformation on the main torsion bar here.
The readings are high. Definitely seeing some microfracturing near the coupling point.
Mark that for the ultrasonic array.
Still too high on the left mount? Bring it down slightly. Okay, that should center the load. Check the readout now. That's within tolerance. Look at the stress on bogey 2. It's holding. Noted. The alignment appears stable at full weight. Look at this. The corrosion has spread further than we anticipated.
Yes, the internal imaging shows significant damage to the block.
As you can see, the corrosion damage here on the cylinder walls is extensive. It's remarkable it ran at all.
Indeed. This crankshaft alone will require weeks of work.
Set the wrench to 150, then give it another quarter turn. Confirmed. Moving to the next cylinder head. Watch the clearance on the planetary gears as it settles.
Affirmative. Hoist speed reduced. It's almost home.
Just a little more torque on that line. How's the pressure holding? It's stabilizing nicely. Flow rate is right on target. Looks like we're golden. Listen to that roar! We did it! We finally did it!
Did you cross-reference the schematic for the torque specs?
Yes, 30 foot-pounds exactly.
Testing 1, 2, 3. How do you read me?
I read you 5 by 5. The comms are clear.
All stations, this is Dog 1. Moving target acquired. Over.
Transmission output is stable, but the cooling system is running hot.
I'm adjusting the flow regulator now. That should normalize the temperature. System's nominal. All right, maintain that synchronized pattern across the lower hull. Move with the scaffolding now.
The detail on the mantlet here is exactly as designed.
See, the rivets match the archival photos perfectly.
Incredible. It brings back everything.
We finally did it. She's magnificent.
A true beast of the battlefield, perfectly restored.
The track housing detail here is exactly as it was in 44.
Remarkable. The whole team should be proud.
Behold the A39 Tortoise, a masterpiece of British engineering, now fully restored and bathed in this golden light.